how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Frankenstein. I'm going to be using this pencil, actually, a number 2 pencil, and a marker. That's kind of it. Pencils for underneath, and also I forgot I'm using regular printing paper, okay? So this is Halloween drawings. If you love Halloween drawings, hit that thumbs up and also subscribe because I'm going to be posting for the next 2 months, and that's mostly it. Through the year, I post a little bit, but mostly I post in this time of year. And if you subscribe and press the bell notification, you'll be subscribed for next year, right? So you'll start seeing stuff on your feed when Halloween starts rolling around again. So it's a great, reason to subscribe. So anyways, let's get started on this guy. First thing I do is I'm going to draw a circle for the head, and I'm going to draw very light. You might not even be able to see it, but the only reason I'm doing this is for a framework. I'm drawing this so that I can kind of use the marker over it. Really simple framework right here. Center line aimed a little bit that way. Pulling down here as well, down to the chin area. And then pulling back up. I just want a general head shape. Line over here across where I want the eyes to be. And then the nose over here. A little bit higher than normal. And it's going to have a big old flat head. And then maybe I'll draw a line over here for where the ear is going to be. That's it. See, that's just a simple lay-in, but let's really get into the marker part of it, which is what I need. I'm going to go over here and draw a line over here, in here, for the far side eye. Curve over here, down. Line over here. Going to go on this side, line over here, curve for the top of the eyelid, down. Like so. Gonna go over here and find the brow because Frankenstein has a big old brow. That's kind of what he's known for. Over here as well. Gonna go over here and draw the bridge of the nose. Down. Across the bottom. Line over here for the nostril. Curve for the wing of the nostril. Line over here, down. Line over here. Pulling up here. For the forehead. We're going to do the forehead in a second. Let's take care of the bottom of his face. Line down here. And also, don't forget, I forgot to say this. Don't forget, there are free drawing templates. This was something I sold last year and the year before, and it is basically these drawing templates based on old videos that I have. It's basically a how-to, like a worksheet, and there's 100 worksheets I put out completely for free in one PDF. Completely free. This year, I just wanted to make it a present and a thank you for everybody that's been following. Like I said, it's over 100 pages. You can print them individually. They're made to print, by the way. You can print them individually. You can go press print and then select the page you want and print out the one you want. That's pretty much it. But yeah, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Go check that out in the description because next year I'm not going to have it. I think I decided that. So this year it's completely free if you press the first link in the description. Sorry about that. That was kind of an announcement. Pull down here for the side of the face. Down over here. Down. Over here for the chin. I'm going to give him a bigger chin than normal. Over here. Up. Going back over here. Back of the jaw. The side of the cheekbone here. And I'm going to draw the ear over here. I'm going to pull up. Curve out here. Over here what do you call the inside of the ear? I forget. The wing of the ear. And then over here. I believe it's called the tragus. Pulling in for the inside of the ear. This little line, there's like a little bit of a liner here in the inside of the ear as well. Let's draw down to the neck. Let's draw the bolt sticking out. So let's draw a circle here, like a circle at an angle. Line in, curve. Line in here. Down here, curve in, up. Right on. Top of the head, it's very flat, so that's kind of a big thing with him. Over here, down. Right on. Gonna draw the hair. The hair is kind of doing this zigzaggy thing. I'm gonna go very thin with a line here. A little zigzaggy. I just got a collection of these old movies from the 30s and 40s. I'm really curious to see the original Frankenstein stuff. I'm gonna go here to the side of the head. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna erase the other stuff, all the lines underneath. I'm gonna erase it. I only needed it there for help, for proportion, but I don't need it no more. So now I can just do this. Like I said, if you like the way I'm teaching, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. And do me another favor and, you know, share the video. Sharing the video is caring. So now we have our head here. I'm gonna go here for the mouth. Line across, down a little bit here, line across here, down. I'm gonna pull a line over here for the laugh line. It's coming off the line of the nose here, down. Right here, draw a little bit of an eyelid, draw a little bit of an eyelid, but in reality there's going to be a big old kind of dark area around the eyes because he's got this big old brow, so it's going to cause this shadow thing going on around the top of it, basically the top of the eye. But let's draw some bags of the eye. Line over here, line over here as well. Whoops, that messed that up. Put that into the nose there, but you can fix that. And he does have eyeballs, so you can maybe do something like this. It's gonna look like he's looking down. It looks like he's sad. I want to make him look more angry, so let's do that. There you go. Lines right here will make him look angry. See how I draw those lines? Those lines I'm drawing thinner because they're detail lines as opposed to... I'm going to draw a line over here on his forehead. Those are thinner because those are detailed lines. Are a little bit different than the main lines. See, the main lines are really thick. Line over here. See, another detail line under over here as well. Line up here. Not really sure about that line. I'm not digging it, but it is what it is. Line over here. And I want to draw like kind of lines around his face, these small lines, because he's supposed to look kind of haggard and gross, essentially. He looks too clean in a lot of this stuff. Yeah, a line right here for the edge of his nose right here. Line over here. Let me thicken out that line for the mouth. Almost looks like he's got it open. And you can kind of keep going like this. That's pretty much it, honestly. But you can kind of keep going with this if you want. If you really would like to, you can kind of just keep doing this along. It's a little bit different. I know it's a little bit more advanced than normal for this channel. Like the side of the right here, what do you call it? The side of the eyes, crack of the eyes. See, these little lines really, really help and make it, you know, because he's supposed to be gross, so he shouldn't look like a young man or anything. But anyways, thank you so much. I appreciate you sticking around here. You are amazing. Say hi to me in the comments if you did, and don't forget, get that free ebook while it's still there. I pretty much will see you in the next video. You know, like I said, I post here only during the Halloween season. So I'd like to hear some feedback from you. Hit me up. Let me know what you think in the comments section, and I'll reply to every single comment. I filled those in. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Oh, stay spooky, everybody.